Hello, this is the MeRC channel, and I'm Dave, and I want to talk about the tablet holders again. Because in my last video on the tablet holders, one of my viewers put a post about the connection here with larger tablets. So with larger tablets, there is a tendency for the tablet to flop out of place with this type of connection that's on the back, which is basically a ball and socket and a nut to clamp it down. So I have a solution for that, and I want to talk about it right now. So this is my Mavic Mini tablet holder, and this is the connection here that I was talking about that has the ball and socket that can slip with heavier tablets. So I want to show you what you can do using these to fix this problem. And I purchased these from a hardware store, or you can get them from Harbor Freight. And it's a whole collection of O-rings. Alright, now I'll show you how to use them. Let's go ahead and take off the ball and socket assembly right here from the tablet. Alright. Okay, now that we got the socket exposed, let's go ahead and put some O-rings in here. Now I'm going to use, let me see if I can get these over here. Now I'm going to use one small one and one big one. And the idea is the O-ring goes inside like that. So we have actually two O-rings. And then I'm just going to put them down inside here. Like that. And then when I put the socket back in there, it'll give me some friction to keep it from slipping. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and put it back in. Goes in fairly easy. The socket is still accepting the ball. It slips right in, so there's no problem. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it down. And the thing about this is, you can tighten it down, but you don't have to tighten it as much now because of the rubber right there, so that saves the threads. And now the tablet won't slip. So that's all there is to it. Very simple fix. As far as the sizes go, the bigger one was one of these right here, which was the P9, or 8.8 by 1.9 millimeters. And then inside I put one of these, which is the F0452, and it was 5 by 2 millimeters. So these two. And in this box you get 15 pieces of the big one and 10 pieces of the small one, so you won't run out. And I think the whole collection was like $6 at Harbor Freight. So that's a solution. It doesn't flop around as much right now. And I didn't have to tighten the nut down as much, so I think that'll help save the threads in the long run without having to make it too tight. And of course it protects the ball too with that little bit of rubber between it. They're fairly inexpensive. You can use them for other things too, like prop saver bands and stuff like that. So yeah, they come in handy. A good thing to have in your collection of RC parts. So thanks for watching. Any questions, just put them under the video. This is Dave, signing out.